32 reasons why Instabuilder is the #1 landing page creation software of choice for smart marketers and internet entrepreneurs around the world. 1. It's as sexy as it is effective. New user interface, slick UI. Easiest to use updated interface gives you quick and easy access to everything you need to design and build high converting pages for your sales funnels. Designed with busy online marketers and entrepreneurs in mind. Tight controls, easy navigation, and UI design built for faster results and easier workflow. Produce better pages, faster. 2. So easy it feels like playing a video game. Easy to use, drag and drop visual editor. It's never been easier to get what you want from a landing page creator. Just select the elements you want to use by clicking on them, drop them where you want them to appear, and voila! Instabuilder does the rest. Literally, drag and drop your way to high-converting landing pages, sales pages, and more. Create stunning designs without having to know a single thing about coding. Create and customize your very own brand-specific designs. Perfect for the online entrepreneur who wants to avoid cookie-cutter ad blindness and wants to create specific brand-centric designs. 3. Sales funnel design for the golden age of mobile, 100% responsive. Generate instant mobile-friendly pages automatically with the built-in Instabuilder responsive design engine. You create the page, Instabuilder will make it mobile-ready. The pages you create will look incredible on iPhones, tablets, and more. Catch leads, and make sales from the fastest-growing segment of the web today, mobile browsers. All you have to do. 4. More templates than the other guys. Better looking too.
Hi, good night my friend. This is my #1 recommendation to make videos, to make promotion of the products that you can select in the JVZoo and Clickbank, Saxa, and WordPress. And you can make inmaicing video using that platform that I will recommend for you in the next days, and you contact and check the link. And only I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel.